Imagine standing on a beach, looking out at the endless ocean. It feels familiar, doesn't it? But here's something surprising. Scientists have mapped the surface of Mars in greater detail than the bottom of Earth's oceans. Even though the ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, over 80% of it remains unexplored, unmapped, or poorly understood. So why do we know more about space than the vast world hidden beneath our own waves? Let's dive in. When most people think about exploration, they imagine rockets, astronauts, and distant galaxies. Space seems like the ultimate frontier. But beneath the ocean's surface lies another mysterious world, a place filled with towering mountains, deep trenches, strange creatures, and secrets we've barely begun to uncover. Ironically, exploring the ocean is often more difficult than exploring space. The biggest obstacle is pressure. As you descend into the ocean, the pressure increases dramatically. At the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, the pressure is more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level. That's like having dozens of jumbo jets pressing down on your body all at once. Very few machines can survive these extreme conditions. Building deep-sea submarines is incredibly expensive, and even a tiny structural failure can be catastrophic. Unlike space, where spacecraft travel through a vacuum, underwater vehicles must constantly battle crushing pressure, complete darkness, and freezing temperatures. Sunlight can only penetrate about 200 meters into the ocean. Beyond that lies almost complete darkness. Without natural light, cameras require powerful artificial lighting, and visibility is often limited by tiny particles floating in the water. Communication is another major challenge. Radio waves, which work perfectly in space, don't travel well underwater. Instead, scientists rely on sound waves, which are slower and less reliable. This makes controlling underwater vehicles much more difficult than communicating with spacecraft orbiting Earth. It may sound strange, but space is actually easier to observe than the deep ocean. Powerful telescopes can study planets, stars, and galaxies from millions, even billions of kilometers away. Satellites continuously monitor Earth from orbit. But to explore the ocean floor, scientists must physically travel there using specialized ships, robotic vehicles, and deep-sea submersibles. Every expedition takes time, money, and careful planning. Despite these challenges, every deep-sea mission reveals something incredible. Scientists have discovered glowing fish that create their own light, giant squid that rarely appear near the surface, hydrothermal vents that support entire ecosystems without sunlight, massive underwater mountains taller than many peaks on land, and mysterious species unlike anything found anywhere else on Earth. Some researchers believe millions of marine species are still waiting to be discovered. Understanding the ocean isn't just about satisfying curiosity. The ocean produces much of the oxygen we breathe. It regulates Earth's climate. It provides food for billions of people. It contains medicines, minerals, and ecosystems that could help solve future scientific challenges. By learning more about the ocean, we're also learning more about how our own planet works. Space may inspire us to look up, but the ocean reminds us that some of the greatest mysteries lie beneath our feet. Every expedition into the deep uncovers new life, new landscapes, and new questions. Perhaps the greatest frontier isn't millions of kilometers away. Perhaps it's right here on Earth, hidden beneath the waves. If we truly want to understand our planet, we must continue exploring the vast, mysterious ocean that covers most of it. Because sometimes the biggest unknown isn't above us. It's below us,